Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Azli Nawawi from UTHM, and today we will continue with the Solidworks assembly tutorial with the title of Flywheel Press, and this is part 2. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this is we already assembled this part in the previous video. This is the bottom side of the Flywheel Press, and then we need to assemble this part. Okay, the upper body. Okay. And then to do this, we will assemble in the different assembly file, and we will declare this one as the sub-assembly. Okay, and after we finish assembling all this part, we will insert into this main assembly, and we will assemble to the lower body of the flywheel press. Okay, so to do that, firstly we need to create new assembly file. Okay, so create new and then double click on the assembly. Okay, next. Okay, so we will not use this type of inserting file, so we're gonna use my style. Okay, so this is the part. Okay, so the parts that we need is the round handle. The part that we need is the round handle, rod handle, connector rod, screw. Maybe next time. Okay, no need for screw right now because it takes a lot of time. So I will make the rod handle as the base part for the upper body for this sub assembly. Okay, so we're gonna call all these three, and this rod handle will be the base part, and it will be fixed. For that reason, we're gonna call the rod handle as the first part. Okay. Okay, so go back to Solidworks. Okay, this is the file. Okay, so we're gonna go here to the right side of the screen, to the file explorer. Okay, and then we're gonna call the first is the rod handle. Okay, this one. Okay, rod handle, take it out, so it will be the base part, and we can see here at the left side of the screen, you're gonna see F here, meaning that it is fixed. Okay, fixed. Okay, it will not be moved. So the second part is the round handle. Okay, take it out. And the third part is the connector rod. Okay, connector rod. Okay, take it out. Connector rod. Okay, so we will assemble this one, the round handle to the rod handle. Okay, so we will do the mates. Okay, consider mates for these two hole, and it will be touching these two, and then this. Okay, the third mates is coincident. So the third mate is coincident. Okay, it will touch this side of the component. Okay, let's do it. So we need to go to the assembly tab and then go to the mate icon. Okay, click. Okay, first we're gonna choose this one first. Okay, the inside of the hole, and then it will be matched to this one. You can see here. Okay, this side. Okay, nice. So it will move over there, and then we're gonna choose okay, meaning that we set the condition. Okay, so that's the first one. So try to move. Okay, it still can be moved. So the second mate is for this hole. Okay, it will be with this one. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, so try to move. Okay, it can only move in the x-axis. Okay, so the last mate. Okay, the last mate is this surface will touch this surface. Okay, voila, nice, the last one. Okay, and it is coincident mate, and then click OK. Okay, almost there, and then for another time click OK, meaning that everything. So try to move the round handle, cannot be moved, so it is good. Okay, so it is good to go. Okay, This fixed, very nice. Okay, next for the connector rod to be assembled to the rod handle. So the first one is the, okay, go to assembly and then mate. Okay, we're gonna do another mate. Okay, so what if we take this side, okay, this circular side of the one, this side, that side, it will touch this side. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this part. Okay, yeah, nice. Okay, don't forget to click OK. Okay, and then try to move it around a little bit. Okay, rotate a bit, move it around. Okay, nice. Okay, and try to bring it down a little bit. Okay, so okay, this side, okay, it will touch this side. Okay, nice. See, it is set to parallel. Wow, very nice. Okay, and don't forget to click OK. Okay, so the last one will be, try to move it. Okay, okay, nice movement. So the last one will be this surface will be in the same plane as this surface. Voila, nice, finish. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, click OK, meaning that everything is good. And for the last one, click OK. So this is our upper part. This is the upper part of the flywheel press. So we need to save this assembly. Okay, to save you just need to go to file up here. Okay, file, and save the drawing. Okay, just like you save everything in the Microsoft Word or Excel, all those. Okay, so try give it a name, maybe upper part. Sorry. Okay, upper part. Okay, save in your computer. Okay, don't forget to click save down here. Okay, nice. Okay, good. So then we need to go back to the bottom part of the flywheel press. Okay, here. Okay, to the assembly tree. Okay, bottom part. Sorry. Okay, this one. And now we will try to insert the sub-assembly. So to do that, okay, we can still use the file explorer over here. Okay, go to that one, and then try to find the, okay, flywheel press. Is it the one? Okay, so where is it? Flywheel press, and yeah, upper part over here, guys, found it, upper part. Okay, so take it out. So voila, very nice, very nice. So this part will be assembled to this part. Okay, so we need to get, okay, so our mates, the first mate is gonna be the coincident. So not coincident, the first mates is the concentric, sorry, the concentric mates for this shaft and this part, and then it will be floating. Okay, we finished that one. Okay, so it will be floating on the bottom part, and about, yeah, it will be floating up here about 100 mm. Okay, now we know. Okay, so go back to Solidworks. Okay, and then just like before, you need to go to the mate icon up here. Okay, on the assembly tab, mate, and then choose this part, and it will be matched to this hole right here. Nice, and then click OK. Don't forget, click OK. And then for the next mate is, okay, this surface. Okay, it will be matched to this surface. But Solidworks will choose coincident, okay, automatically, but we will not choose that one. We're gonna choose the bottom one, the distance mate. Yeah, and you're gonna set the distance to 100 millimeter. Okay, so choose distance, and then see, okay, and type the distance about 100 millimeter. You can see down here. Okay, 100, and then click, and then press enter. Okay, now voila, finish. This is what we want. And then you need to go click up here, okay, meaning that you agree with the arrangement. So another one, So voila, finish. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Very nice. Okay, so this is the finished assembly. You can drag this handle and try to rotate everything. So this is how it makes. Okay, so once you finish, you will need to save this drawing just like before. Okay, go to file and click save. Okay, just save like normal. Okay, and then you're gonna choose rebuild. Okay, save document, choose this one. Okay, okay, yeah, save anywhere that. Okay, it already saved. And then imagine that you need to submit all the models or all the drawings here, the parts, to your client or maybe to your lecturer. Okay, or for your, maybe for them to fabricate or anything that they want. Okay, and then but to submit this, you need to submit everything in one folder. Okay, meaning that the drawing file for each component and the assembly file will be put in one folder nicely, and that features, we call it pack and go. Okay, so meaning that Solidworks will put everything automatically in one folder, so that you can pass to other people in one folder everything, and they manage to open the file. Okay, why? Because if you just give them the Solidworks assembly file, this one, okay, when you save the drawings, it will become like this. Okay, assembly. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, press. Okay, the file number assembly. Okay, if you just give them this file, they will not be able to open the drawing because they don't have the drawing file for each part. Okay, so that is why we need to do pack and go, something like this, guys. Pack and go. So we're going to send them the whole folder with the assembly file. You can see that this is the file for the parts, and this is the file for assembly. Okay, so to do that, okay, let's do it. Okay, to do that, you're going to go back to Solidworks. Okay, here, this one, and then we're going to go to up here to the file, up here, file. Okay, and then you need to find the pack and go. Here, click pack and go. Okay, so you're going to get something like this, and then you need to go to browse, meaning that we're going to find where we're going to save the file, and we're going to make a new folder just for that one. Okay, so click browse, and then okay, make a new folder. Okay, make a new folder. Okay, right click and then go new, and then make a new folder. Okay, new folder. And so yeah, okay, one scan, new folder. Try maybe pack and go fly press, for example. Okay, that's the name that I give to my new folder. Okay, so yeah, that one. Make sure that you select that folder. Okay, and then you need to go click down here, select folder. Okay, voila. Okay, so everything is okay, everything is set up. So you need to go to down here, okay, and click save. Okay, so it will generate something new. Okay, so finish. So to check whether the pack and go is successful or not, so you need to go to your my computer. Okay, try to find the file. Okay, I put it here. Here, this is my file. Fly and go, pack and go, fly press. Okay, so click in that folder. You can see that everything is inside the file. Okay, so very nice. Okay, so you can see that this is the sub assembly. Okay, the upper part. Okay, and then this is the main assembly, the one that we just did right now. Okay, so when you want to send everything to someone, so just give them this folder. Okay, just you maybe zip, okay, compress the folder, or just give them by email. I don't know, that's up to you. Okay, so this folder contains everything. Okay, so I hope this video helps you a lot. So I think that's all for now. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so I will continue the next tutorial with something else about the assembly. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.